Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to compare the options trading journal and the options and stock trading journals that I created. I often get questions like which trading journal is right for me if I trade strategies like the whale, diagonal spreads, credit spreads, and more. So in this video, I will walk you through the key differences between these two journals so you will know exactly which one fits your trading style. First, the options trading journal. This one is designed for traders who focus purely on option strategy such as credit spread, debit spread, single call or puts, iron condor, straddles, and more. You can trade everything such as entry prices, exit prices, premium paid or collected at entry and exit, total P&L, return on investment percentage, cumulative P&L, drawdown, and even risk per trade. But this version does not include stock assignment or stock tracking. It's lightweight, simple, and perfect if you are only trading options contract. Next, the options and stock trading journal. This version has everything the options trading journal does, plus a lot more flexibility. If you trade strategies that involve stock assignment like covered calls, cash secure put, or whale strategy, this journal lets you track both the option legs and the stock side once you are assigned. You can even use it to track pure stock trades if you buy and sell shares directly. There are extra columns for stock entry and exit prices, up to 3 separate exit points if you scale out of trades, and even a column to record dividends received while holding shares. Here's the side-by-side breakdown. The options trading journal is best if you're trading only option strategies and don't need stock tracking. The options and stock trading journal is best if you want to manage assignment, run the wheels, trade covered calls, or trade stocks alongside options. It also supports multiple exit points. And if you are someone who also trades futures along with options and stock, there's another version called the options, stock, and futures trading journal. You can check out the tutorial video in this channel to learn more about it. I also update this journal from time to time based on user feedback. So if you have any ideas or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below or send me an email at hello@sinvestjournal.com. So that's the difference. If you're purely an options trader, you can go with options trading journal. But if you want the flexibility to trade both options and stock trades, grab the options and stock trading journal. You can find both versions in my shop. Links are right below this video. Happy trading, and I will see you in the next one.